You guys are always asking me to give you tips on how to record police. I just recorded police right now, guys. I'm gonna give you one quick tip, okay? You don't always have to be an asshole. Sometimes you could just wait for them to be assholes. Check out this clip.
How you doing? Are you mind if I get your names and badge numbers right quick?
What was that?
Mind if I get your names and badge numbers real quick?
Officer Davenport, badge 1371.
Appreciate that.
Union badge 451.
Appreciate that, guys.
No problem.
You mean to tell me these officers identified professionally according to their policy? They didn't give me no attitude. They didn't ask why. They just identified? That's kind of rare for Bakersfield police. But so far, these cops are doing a good job. Will they continue to do a good job? Keep watching. Right here documenting this, guys. I've seen these police officers out here, and they're walking up to this lady who's in a wheelchair, and I don't know exactly what was going on, but I was passing by and I seen it, so I decided to get off and record. What I do see is Davenport is causing a hazard because I don't see lights on in his vehicle. But Nuno does have his lights on his vehicle, it seems like. I appreciate you turning the lights on, man. Were they having a battle on the wheelchairs or something? All right. I gotta tell you guys, I was expecting to walk up to these cops and for them to say something rude to me. So when I walked up, they were pretty much, seemed to me like they were almost done with the what was going on. I did put my phone away. I kind of dressed like a jogger, so I acted like I was just jogging. And then right when I got close, I pulled my phone out and I started recording. But, you know, the element of surprise is always better. But at the same time, you know, these guys, they didn't seem like they were too worried about anything. They weren't kicking around an old lady in a wheelchair or nothing like that. So I did ask the cops what happened, and one of them said that just somebody was concerned about the woman in the wheelchair, so they just came and checked on her, and she seemed to be okay, I guess. So they took off, and that's that, folks. So thank you guys for watching.